how to change password in Roblox. So let's say you forgot your password. What you can do is just go to the login page right here, then tap on forgot password or username. Once you're there, you will need to enter your email to reset your password. And if you type in your email right there, just simply tap on submit, and like a verification will be sent to your email, and you need to click on that. You could also use your phone number to reset your password. Right here, you could also input if you forgot your username, but for password, you just need to go right here. And if you know your account and you just want to change your password or something, of course, you need to first log into Roblox. Once you're logged in, just simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner and go to settings and go to account info right here. And as you can see, you will see your password. Just simply tap on like the pencil icon right here on the right side of it. And this will pop up, and now you will need to input your current password and new password, and now you will need to confirm it. We'll just simply fill up all of these options. Now, as you can see, I've filled it up. You just need to tap on update. As you can see, my password has successfully changed, and just tap on OK. Now you are good to go, and that's how you basically change your password on Roblox.